When it comes to low voltage work, having the right tools makes all the difference. So today I'm breaking down my top 4 Knipex tools that I keep in my kit every single day. First up, the cable shears. If you've ever tried cutting low voltage cable with the wrong tool, you know how bad it can get. These shears give you a clean, straight cut every time. They're also great for stripping cable. They don't crush the conductor. They don't fray the jacket, and they're ergonomic enough to use all day. For me, this is one of the tools that is just an absolute essential. Now let's talk about stripping. This is where the Knipex 1372, the 8-inch forged wire strippers, they shine in real world use, and it's built to strip both solid and stranded wire from 10 to 20 gauge. And the forged design makes it super strong, super durable. But one of the features I love are the locating ridges. They help you quickly find the right stripping hole so you don't fumble around messing with measuring or guessing. It also includes shear cut blades for cleaner cuts, less drag, less nicking, and it can be used to cut screws, 632s and 832s. Okay, next up are the lineman's pliers. These are heavy hitters. Whether you're twisting multiple conductors, crimping, or cutting thicker gauge cable, busting out boxes, these pliers absolutely deliver. The jaws grip tight without slipping, and the cutting edge stays sharp even after months of abuse. That's just typical Knipex. They're the kind of tool you only buy once because they just last. And last, the diagonal cutters. These are the bread and butter of cutting thicker cables. What makes the Knipex version stand out is the sharpness, and these are like the high leverage ones. They just glide through copper and aluminum with almost no effort, and they can even handle hardened wire up to 3 millimeters. To me, that means less strain on long days and a cleaner, more professional cut. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you like these, hate these, love these, just give me your feedback or what should be taken away or added to this list.